This is Stanley, and he's a 6-year-old miniature schnauzer. So we are starting Stanley off. We are putting some treats into the food compartment and letting him eat the treats. So I'm putting the food into the treat compartment and seeing what Stanley does. Good boy. That's a good boy. Where is it? Good boy. How do we get at it? Now Stanley has to work out how he's going to get the food. Okay, he's got to get a little bit frustrated by it. Good boy. We're waiting for a touch of the paw on here. Where is it? Where is it, Stanley? Good boy. I'm going to back off. I'm just going to let him have it, Stanley. Good boy. Where is it? Good boy. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Good boy. That's a good boy. Where is it? Good boy. Where is it? Stanley. Oh, yeah. You close it enough so he doesn't get it in there. That's it. Tiny gap. Tiny gap. Paw. Good. Perfect. Perfect. You've got perfect. You've got a word for it. Touch. Yeah, touch. Pull. Touch. Yes. That's it. Good. So that's what we're asking for. You are getting cheeky. Touch. Good boy. Oh, that's spot on. So it makes it easier when you do have a, you know, already a word.
Yeah,
well,
that's, yeah.
I didn't really have a word, did we? Touch.